Hey, this is the Affiliate Hustler here, and today we are back with a new video. And today I'm going to show you how to make some good money. I'm talking about 100 to 200 dollars a day if you put the work with Clickbank. Yes, you can make 100 to 2,000 dollars a day with Clickbank with free traffic. Yes, you don't have to pay for traffic. You don't have to build an email list, and don't worry, you don't have to do paid advertising. And I'm not going to teach you all the methods that the gurus are teaching you to go on spam on forums and go and yeah, spam your affiliate links there on the deep web, on the world wide web, like yeah, basically the internet. My method is more, well, I it's not my method. I model it from another YouTuber called Seven Figures Affiliate. Shout out to him, and that's why I'm making this video. That's where I got the idea from. So the method is pretty self-explanatory. So I am in Clickbank. Obviously this method is about making money with Clickbank. So the product I choose is the best selling product on Clickbank. That one is the Cinderella solution. And if you click on here, Cinderella solution / affiliates, it takes you to the JV page. That's the joint venture page, and that is the page that the vendor of the products creates for the affiliates in order to have material for promoting their product. For example, Facebook ads, like images for Facebook ads, banners so that you can put on your blogs, email sites if you want to do email marketing, and other miscellaneous tools, like for example a landing page builder for ClickFunnels. And yeah, they are recommending you softwares to make to do email marketing and to build a landing page. So let's go to the method. Why is it super important that you go to the JV page first after promoting the products on Clickbank? And that is very important because you have to get to know the product and what is about. But moreover, you need to go to the JV page, because here is where I going to build the material for the method I'm going to use. Yes, so let me see. So basically this method consists of the following. Yes, you just go to this page that I will be giving in the description, that is called Lumen 5. And what Lumen 5 is, it's a web page where you can translate words into videos. And now I'm going to show you how. For example, if you, let's say you have an article talking about how to lose belly fat, you can turn all that article into a video with Lumen 5. Yes, so let me show you why we do have to create a video in order to promote the product. And don't worry, you won't have to show your face. This is all done by Lumen 5. You can add your voice if you want, but Lumen 5 adds the images, the stock videos. Stock videos are like stock images but with videos, like people that recorded themselves in order for examples in life. And yeah, that's it. You just add text and stock videos, and you make a promotion of the product that you chose. In this case, I chose Cinderella solution. So once you have a video, what you will try to obviously upload it where you will try to upload it is to YouTube, obviously, because of the search. It's the biggest search engine. It's the biggest video search engine in the internet and in the world. So let's say I'm interested in losing weight, and I type how to lose belly fat. So if you see, like, I'm thinking that all of these guys are doing the same method that I'm teaching you, or not. Well, so what you will do is do a video that I'm going to show you now, like, for example, like
So you're finally ready.
like explainer videos that explain things. And don't worry, you don't want to show your face, like this type of videos, sorry, I didn't have the word in mind. Now I have explanatory videos where you explain how to lose belly fat with stock videos and words. So let's create a video so that you understand what I mean. So let's see if they have oh, sorry, let's go to the in this case they don't have many JV pages have what is called a blog article already done for you. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the sales page, and wait a minute, I'm going to go to the sales page, and I'm going to grab the information for the product in here. So yeah, I prefer to read. Now here is where the magic happens. So here is all the explanation of the product. So what I will do is, for example, do this. This is Carly, blah 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 blah, and yeah, I will copy basically all of this, and then I will copy. Okay, that went wrong. I wanted to copy obviously the text, not the images, and yeah, it copied basically all the landing page. But yeah, let me see. So yeah, what you will do is go in here. Yes. Yeah. Why does, well, let's see if it copies like an art. Like if I put the link, it makes oh yeah, so it does make a link. If you, so what I've learned now recently by just experimenting is that if you put the link of the website or the sales page that you're trying to promote, it makes you a video. So it grabs information from the sales page. So as you see, it's creating the video. So what you will do now is, now we'll create the video, and this video will upload to YouTube with a keyword like how to lose belly fat, how to lose stubborn fat, how to get rid of belly fat, so that video ranks on YouTube and you get views, and obviously what you will try to do is get sales or clicks to your affiliate link of the Cinderella solution product or the or the given product that you chose from Clickbank. It's pretty self-explanatory. Okay, so basically, you see, this is how it creates a video. It's amazing, you know, like I only put it the link, and yeah, obviously what you will do is you just edit this stuff so it looks better and doesn't look like it's crap, but you get the gist. Like you get what I'm trying to explain you and how this method works. So what you will do is now go to publish. Once you have a beautiful and well done video, yes, you go to download. I'm going to download this video. So yeah, I have there's a paid version and there's the free version. I obviously use this platform a lot, so now I have exceeded the free limit. But what you will do is go to download, and once you go to download, you go to upload video, and what you will do sorry, what you will do is obviously, so now YouTube changed the way to upload videos. So what you will do is go to upload. Upload. So yeah, what you will do is go to upload, and what you will do is go here on tags, and first you have to go for the main keyword on the title. So what you will write on the title is the main keyword. If your main keyword is how to lose belly fat, you just go how to lose belly fat fast on 2020, like, and like that. And what you will also do is obviously type that same keyword on the text, how to lose belly fat in a week, for example. So what you will do is put tags, and obviously write a title that is related to the niche that your product that you're promoting is in. If you want, like, if you're promoting a product that is teaching you how to make money, don't put in the title how to lose belly fat, because obviously that is not the target public that you are aiming for. So because you want people interested in how to lose weight. Do you understand me? So yeah, well, so this is the method. It's pretty self-explanatory. Hope you understand me. It's better than all the other methods that the gurus are explaining you now on YouTube, because I saw all these gurus trying to explain you how to make money on Clickbank, and none of them are teaching you the right stuff. And if they are teaching you the right stuff, then they are teaching you either with paid traffic or they are recommending their course. So yeah, please, I will really encourage you to hit that bell icon, subscribe, leave a comment, like, because obviously this will encourage me to make more videos. So that was it for me, and yeah, just hope you enjoyed and start taking action.